Hello everyone, welcome to Innovative Priya. It's all about art. So today I am making a spring painting, a blossom painting, which is very easy and can be done by kids as well. So let's get started. So here, as you can see, the upper part is half sun, which is filled with yellow color, and then I am just giving a shade of orange and a bit of red in it to give a popping effect. Now it's time to add some background color. I chose aqua or teal, you can say a teal color. So it is very bright color and it looks great for colorful flowers on top of it. So please follow my Instagram account innovativepriya9, as you can see on the screen. Please follow me there. I keep on updating many other paintings as well. Time to add some grass by some dab effect, and there is no add of water in the color. Only these stippling motion brush strokes are going to give this effect. Now adding some sun rays in triangular form, just drawing some triangles around the half sun and filling yellow color in it. Now it's time to add some flowers to the painting. Add as many circles as you want and just make it colorful painting. Adding bright colors to the center and light colors to the petals is going to give a very nice hue effect, and it will saturate your painting and the painting will look, it will stand out. In order to make painting fun for kids, I'm using backside of a pencil and using a dot technique to make the petals, and sometimes I'm using backside of the brushes to make perfect circles and petals of the flowers, and this is a very interesting activity for kids. So this is it, and our painting is ready, and it's full of colors and it's very vibrant, and I hope you liked it. Please like, share and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.